I'm James from Cyflwyniad. For this session, we're going to look at how to use a Drawknife. A Drawknife is a tool used in many different crafts, and it's a very old tool. It's a blade with two handles. You hold one with each hand, and it has a single bevel. A Drawknife's used with both hands, and you pull towards you, hence drawing. You need to hold the work securely in a vise. There's two devices used for this. There's a shave horse or a cleaving brake with a shaving post at the back. So a shave horse works as a quick release clamping device. Using your legs, you push away from you, which swivels on the central pivot, pushing down on your piece of wood. Using the triangular wedge, you can adjust the size, the gap, so that you can use large pieces of wood or much smaller pieces. So now we're going to finish off a mallet that we'd roughed out with an axe. This is quite a chunky piece of wood, so we're going to offer it up, find the right size to clamp it tight. That is now tight in there. Drawknife has a single bevel. You can use it with the bevel up if you want to remove chips quickly, but it's more likely to dig in deep and damage the work. It's much better to work more smoothly and steadily with the bevel facing down and taking off fine shavings. And using a slight angled motion, you pull towards you and release. And you should get beautiful fine curls. And then release, turn and clamp. Once it feels like you're starting to get somewhere on that area, keep turning it. So release, turn, reclamp, and do more. Remembering to keep an eye on your work so you don't work too much on one side and not on the other, keeping it even. And the finishing part of any mallet is to just chamfer around the head. It's a finished rustic mallet ready for work. For longer pieces of work, you can use the shaving post on a cleaving brake. So this side of the cleaving brake is used for splitting the wood. But if you come round to the back, you can put a shaving post there, and using the cleaving brake, push it in tight, and that clamps the wood firmly. So that's the basics of using a draw knife. Thank you for watching.